Hi, I'm Dr. Alex and I'm a doctor of chiropractic, and today I'm joined by Eva. Ni hao.
Ni hao.
Eva has been here for a few sessions. She's been having quite a bit of pain, mainly in the piriformis muscle in the pelvis. She plays a lot of frisbee and overall quite active, so she started developing pain in this area because of that. So today we're gonna give her a treatment for that. So, 来吧. The area where she's been having trouble is the piriformis muscle. So basically it runs from this area down to the hip, and what it does, it mainly does outward rotation of the foot. Sometimes it can become very, very tight, which can then lead to a lot of issues because it's a very stabilizing muscles. It can also affect the sciatic nerve that runs right underneath it all the way down. So this area can be quite problematic. Okay, Ma. You're doing all right? Huchi. Butong. So right now we're right over the piriformis area, and this area, when Eva started coming to see me, she had quite a bit of pain when we were doing this. Obviously it's improved to some extent. We still have a little bit longer to go in terms of symptoms and pain, but there's definitely been some improvement here. 力度可以吗？
可以。
You sure? 真的吗？
Yeah. No, I do remember the first time I come here, like when you performing like something around that area, I was much more painful.
Oh yeah, you were almost lifting off the table, to be fair, so...
I was almost screaming.
Yeah, I know. So if you need a break, let me know, okay?
No, this is good for me.
Yeah.
This is good. Very good.
Yeah, you'll need a wheelchair leaving this place today.
No.
Shichi, Uchi.
Oh, okay. Oh.
很好。
Yeah.
One more time, breathe in. I know. Awesome. Okay. And how? Okay. And push up 10%. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9，放松。好啊，准备好打爆炸了吗
Yes.
非常好。
我以为拉手臂。
Big breath. And 对。
哦，打到我耳朵了。
很好，可以吗？
可以。
放松。很好。好啊。
好呀。
你现在觉得怎么样？
我觉得很好，很舒服。
啊？Okay. Would you recommend this to anyone, or?
Already did.
Thank you. Well,
I think this whole session, all this time we spent together, you really like relieved some intention, like muscles or like some like spine issues. I don't know how to describe it, but I feel like it's alleviated.
Oh, well, thank you so much for those very kind words. And it's been been a pleasure having you here today.
You're welcome.
So I'm Dr. Alex, Eva from ChiroCare, ChiroCare. See you next time. 再见。
再见。